So this is the Q120 by Neewer, and I'll show you how to set it all up in a tick. But it comes in this great little carry bag. It has a battery, a USB-C or A to C connector for charging, and it comes with this little light stand. Also just comes with your manual and all the rest of it, but all folds away in this cute, handy little bag. So let's have a little look at the Q120. Okay, so this is the Q110 at the back. Your battery just slides in like so. You can charge it with the battery in, or you can charge it with the battery out. To turn it on, press the on button, and then it comes up unlock. So you just swipe that to unlock. You can give it a test. You can go through the menu. So you've got standby, color, model, burst mode, and just use the scrolly wheel to go through. If you want delay, sync, turn your ID on, off, whether you want your beep on, off, whether you want Bluetooth. It has got RX compatibility, so you can turn that on or off. So that allows you to work with Godox triggers, which is always handy. So if we get out of menu, then you have got mode. So you've got TTL, you've got manual, you've got multi, and back again. And it's just a matter of using the dial. If you want to increase your exposure, etc., you can change your channel from here. So you've got A, B, C through to E, and you've got your various channels that you can select as well. If you hold your channel, it will come up with channel, and you can change that there. Whoops. Let's put it back on channel 1. Okay, so that's pretty much straightforward. Now, I have got it on the little stand or the little light adapter that it comes with. It also, if I turn it round, so it has a diffusion sort of Fresnel lens type thing on it. It also comes with a magnetic dome diffuser, which isn't bad, but if you want to put it on with another softbox, like the mini softbox or something like that, you will probably need to use something like this. So this is a Bowens mount. This is the ST101, which it doesn't quite fit in here. I think Neewer have another one that works, but it did also fit in my Godox one. So if you're using a Godox system and want to switch out to get something like this, so this is a little bit smaller than some of the other Godox stuff, then using a Bowens mount adapter is a great way to go. So there's really not much else to tell you. You've got a USB charge in there. Nothing on the top, nothing on the back, on the sides. It's just everything is run off the back there, and that's pretty much it. So I have done a full written review, so I will put that below, as well as the link for this as well.